What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. We have Cole Hippen who has a question. Hey Tony, I've been very curious when a new paint job is done. A friend of mine painted his truck for the first time. He asked me to do wet sanding and polish. When we applied the regular painter's tape and when we peeled it off, the corners of the fenders paint peeled and came off with the paint. What causes that? It seems only the edges of the panel or hood would be. I can't really would be. It's just the way it's written here is kind of got me confused. But I would basically just say probably the sanding wasn't good, right? You didn't really scuff and sand around your panels before you painted. That's why it didn't stick. Hence is why it peeled off with the masking tape. So that's the problem there. So hopefully this answers your question. You know, that's why I say you got to sand with at least 400 grit sandpaper so you have enough tooth in your paint, right, for the new paint to stick to. Okay, some people say 600, 800 grits way too fine for brand new fresh paint. You know, you want to use a 400. Some people say 600. I say 4 to 6. I'm more of a 400 guy. Then I get people telling me 400 is way too coarse. That's not true. Okay, 400 is actually a very good grit to paint over. And I've been using 400 for over 20 years now. Never had any issues. My paint jobs come out amazing. All right. It's Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. Let me know what your thoughts are. YouTube, comment down below. And I hope to see you in the comments down below. All right. It's Tony here. If you want to grab a free 85 page, not 85, it's 100 and something pages now, guys. We just revamped it. If you're on mobile, click the little button here. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this over here, okay, where you could download your auto body guide, which is filled with videos and links to extra resources so you can learn this stuff from the comfort of your own home. It's Tony here. Talk to you soon. And again, if you're watching this on desktop, go down below, click the link below in the description to actually come here as well. Check out, get the free book, check out the blog. There's tons of videos, over 500 videos here at Learn Auto Body YouTube channel, and more being added every single week. All right, don't forget to check out the VIP course as well. It's helped over 10,000 people worldwide learn auto body from home. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.